Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I eat my balut. Balut is a fertilized duck egg that has been boiled for a very long time. And in Cambodian, it's called bontiakon. This is a very delicious delicacy in my culture. If you guys have a weak stomach and cannot handle this, please click away. The first thing I do is make the sauce to eat with the duck egg. And the ingredients are black pepper, lemon or lime, and salt. The first thing I do is slice my lemon. And with a small bowl, I'll squeeze the lemon into the bowl. And of course, remove the seed from the bowl. And then you will add in about half teaspoon of black pepper into the lemon juice. And stir the black pepper into the lemon juice really well. And then you can add half a teaspoon of salt into the lemon juice and black pepper. The sauce for the balut is done, guys. And now let's start eating the balut. The first thing you need to do is crack open the shell. And now you can peel off the shell. Once you peel off the shell, there will be a thin film. You can either remove it or scoop it away. Once you remove the film, there's some liquid and broth. And now it's a good time to slurp it up. For me, that's one of the best parts of eating balut. There's still some juice, now let's slurp it again. After you drink all of the juice, now it's a good time to add in your sauce. This will be my first scoop and it's likely to be the embryo. And this part is the yolk. And it's my second part of the eggs. I like to scoop the sauce to add into the egg as while I'm eating. And some people could even eat it without the sauce. My first egg is all done, guys. Look, nothing is inside. It's so good. Let's go for the second one. We'll do the same thing and crack the eggs. We'll remove the shell until it exposes the thin film. Now it's a good time to drink the soup or broth. Now let's remove the film from the egg and take another drink of the broth. Now let's take our first scoop of our second egg. And dip the egg into our sauce. And of course, you guys know that yolk is my favorite part, or one of my favorite. It's all gone, guys. Now there's some soup. Let's drink it up. It's all gone. The 2 eggs were really good, and I hope you guys liked the video and hope it could help you guys learn to eat balut when you have a chance. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.